Hi, for this aweber tutorial we're going to take a look at how to use aweber broadcasting. Now to get into my broadcasting, first I'm going to make sure that I'm on my correct list, which is my web tutorial list we've been using for all of these tutorials, and we're going to go into messages and then down to broadcast. Now the broadcast allows you to send an email newsletter or another one-time message to your list. And these are ones that maybe you want to have set up so they're scheduled to go out at a certain time, or if you just want this to be a one-time email. Let's say if you're having a sale or something like that. So we can choose under New HTML Message whether we want an HTML message, and it gives us a lot of templates we can use to create our emails, a plain text message, which is text only, or you can paste in your own custom HTML message. I'm going to go ahead and choose HTML message. Now the thing that I like about aweber is it allows you to go ahead and do your HTML message to send it out, but it also will make a text only email. So if your recipient decides that they don't want the full HTML email, they can just get the text. So the first thing that we're going to look at here is the design. And right up here in the top box, we're going to put in our title. And I'm going to put this as How to Use Aweber Broadcasting. And down below you can see that we have our templates that we can look at, or we can go back and it will show us our actual block editor. So under templates, I'm going to come in and find a template that will work for what I'm doing. And you can see a lot of these are already classified as being for restaurants or boutiques or looking like postcards, things like that. So that'll make it a lot faster for you to design anything, and it looks really professional. So let's go ahead and choose one of these designs, and if you look at the bottom you can also see that there are different colors that you can have that you can choose. So let's say I want to do this one in green to go along with the theme of my website. I'm going to go ahead and click on Keep My Content. And along the top you'll see we can put in a headline, a paragraph box, an article box, an image, button, a follow me, that would be for your tweet, that would be for your Twitter account, product, coupons, your logo, and your signature. So let's go ahead and take a look. What we're going to do first is we're going to use the block editor to come in here and make our changes. So I'm going to put in my header. You can also choose your article style if you want the image to the left, right, center, wherever you want it to be. If you want to put a read more link, you can put the URL of your read more link, what you want the text to say, and you can edit the article image as well. And by doing that, you can grab the image URL directly from aweber, or you can do it, say, from your own website. I could put a paragraph down here, and it's put it right down here at the bottom, and you can see that it will even allow you to put in some smart text that will pull in your recipient's first name. We can put in any buttons that we want, and if we click on that button it's going to allow us to put a link to wherever we need it to go. We can add any text that we want. We can move any of these boxes around, and basically we can just do whatever we want to do with this. We can put our logo in here. If you want to add more boxes, you just click on the white X or on the white cross. If you want to get rid of a box, just click on the red X and it will get rid of it. You can put coupons in your broadcast, and you can change the coupon to say anything that you need it to say. You can add more than one, again by using the white cross. You can put in your signature. Basically anything you want to use to personalize your broadcast. And down here I have the button switched to plain text is being auto-generated, and you can do a preview of it as well. So everything that I've typed in here is now put in regular text. I'm going to go back to my block editor, and I can come down, attach a file if I'd like, click Test and Preview, and this shows me what people will see when they look at my email. And I'm going to click on Next. And this is going to take me to my sharing page. In my sharing, I can choose to have it off or on. I'm going to leave mine on. And this is going to publish my broadcast to a web page so your subscribers can go and view it online. It will also give you a direct link that you can put into any emails or other information, and it gives you the RSS feed. Underneath, it has your social media if you want it to Facebook or Twitter, and you can choose whether you want it posted or not. Now, you just have to make sure that you connect it to your Facebook page or to your Twitter page, and it will allow you to post it or not post it to both of these social medias. And I'm going to click Next. Next are my publishing options. I can leave my scheduler off, so this will automatically send it now, or I can put my scheduler on, and this will allow me to go through and decide which days I want this broadcast to be sent. Over to the right, it has my send options. Right now it's going to send them to my Web Tutorial 1 page, and I'm going to send it to everyone in that segment, but I can also choose people, say, that have only been there for the past month or so in that mailing list. I can also choose to include and exclude other lists for my broadcast, so just click the boxes next to the ones you want to include or exclude. Remember, you want to track your clicks on your website links in this message. That way, anyone who clicks on a website link in the message, it will come back to you, so you'll know if people are clicking through on your message. And it will email you when the quick stats are available, which is going to be within a day or 2 days of when the broadcast goes out, and you'll find out how many people read the email, how many opened it, how many bounced, how many clicked through to look at the links that you put in, and other information, so you can see which ones are really being effective. So when you're done, you can click on Save Message, and now it's under my pending broadcasts. So right now it's going to all subscribers in this list that's at the top of my page, and I can either copy this message if I want to maybe copy it and make a few changes. I can test it, I can add it in a queue, or I can get rid of it by hitting the red X. So that's how we use a broadcast, and once this is sent out, then your subscribers are going to get your email and any information that you need them to have. So make sure you keep an eye on the tracking, and you'll see which of your emails are most effective. So I hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next tutorial.